Now, let's warm it up. See where it levels, and then we're gonna maybe put some more oil in. Let's see. Now guys, let's see. I think we need to wait a bit longer, but it's all the way down. Let's see. It is on minimum, so I'll pour in some more, but it's still dripping down, so don't gonna put too much into it. Just and then pull this one out of the way. It's clean. Let's see. It's now halfway. So now start up the engine again and warm it up to operating temperature. Oh. Engine already feels nicely warm, so we're going to let the oil settle. We're going to measure it, and then we're going to fill it to the max at the dipstick. So, now guys, I waited about 5 to 10 minutes. Now let's see, engine is nicely warm. First, now BMW has this wonderful dipstick protocol. Move it in and they say turn it back, so rotate it one more so you can easier read the level. Let's see, it's on half, so it needs some more oil. Hop. But I'm gonna do it slow. Again, put it in, turn it back, so actually you rotate the dipstick. Let's see where it's now. Almost there, almost, but tiny bit, and then it's nicely on level. Pop. Old mechanic, yeah. Level is level. If it's not on max level, then I'm not satisfied. Simply. Oh my God. See, I turned it way too many times. Uh-oh. Let's see now. Wow. It is perfect on level. old mechanic. Yeah. Okay. So, hop, hop, hop. So guys, that was my video. How you can do your own oil change on a BMW F800GT. Was it easy? Absolute. With a few tools, and I linked them in the description, you can do it yourself. Save a lot of money, guys, huh? A lot of money. Well, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I really would appreciate that. Give me thumbs up, also good for the YouTube algorithm. Push the notification button, the bell. See you the next time. And for now, old mechanic.